Hi, I'm Molly and welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if it's your first time. I'm a former professional makeup artist and now I'm sharing all of my secrets and creating tutorials to help you look and feel your best. Today's video is all about individual false lashes. These are my go-to for weddings and special events. They just last so beautifully and can really be customized for your eye shape. To apply individual lashes, you will need your lash glue. I'm using a latex-free version because I have sensitive eyes. Grab your individual lashes, any brand will work, and a small pair of scissors. This is a trick that I used on all of my clients and I've never shared it before. It's an absolute game changer for false lashes. I am taking the lashes and trimming down the front pieces. Let me show you one more time. I like to pick them side by side, and I'm trimming down the front lashes. These are the lashes closest to the inner corner of my eye where your lashes are naturally shorter. So this really helps the false lashes blend in and just make it look like the individual lashes are your own long lashes. I'm going to be mixing small and medium length lashes today. I'll start out with the medium length. You can also just use the same length lashes. I just wanted to show you mixing the two lengths. So I'm starting out on the outer corner. I like to place this down in between my lashes and then wedge it up until it's touching the skin in between my lashes and my eyelid. This is how I get them to be the most natural looking. I'm going to the other side now because I really do want that glue to have a chance to dry without any other lashes touching it. And if you're wondering where to place that first lash, I always like to use my lower lash line as a guide. As long as those lashes are going up and out the same angle as your lower lash line, you will be good to go. Now I'm grabbing another medium length lash, but instead of placing it down directly next to that first lash, I go over one. We will fill in that gap, but by giving these lashes space, they won't touch each other and twist, which can be a problem with individual lashes. So this gives that glue a chance to dry, the lashes can settle down and stay nice and flat and not get twisted to the side. I'll do the same thing on the other side, really trying to get the base of the individual lash in between my own natural lashes. And one more time, now I'm grabbing a medium length and I will fill in that gap. So you can see I'm getting a really nice flutter at that outer edge and all of the lashes have dried down. They're not twisting. Everything is just really nice going up and out. And now I'm switching over to the shorter length for the middle and beginning of my lashes. By the way, I like to pull up the individual lashes by the base, not by the lash. So now I'm doing the same thing, just placing those down as close as I can in between my lashes, trying to touch that skin in between the lash and the lid. And now I'll go in and grab those lashes that we cut. If you are nervous about putting it on the wrong eye, then just place it down before you have glue on it and make sure that you're putting it on the right eye. The shorter lash, the ones that we trimmed, should be closest to the inner corner. So as you can see, I'm placing this again, leaving that gap, and then going back in and placing down more lashes as needed. Typically, I like to do my eye makeup first and then the rest of my makeup, but for this video, I had everything done. What I will do to give that glue a chance to really set is just go back in, touch up my eyebrows, powder down my face, anything else I need to do to touch up my makeup. Then once I'm confident that the glue is dry, I'll go in with my mascara and make sure that I'm getting mascara on both my natural lashes and on the individuals. I really do love a tubing mascara for this, but any mascara that you love is great. Another favorite trick is to actually go down over the top of the individual false lashes and my natural lashes. This really helps make sure that you get a seamless blend. I'm going to grab a metal lash comb and do the same thing. go down over my lashes. This helps separate everything, and then go back up. As you can see, I have one lash that has stuck to the other, so this lash comb will really help me get everything combed out so that everything stays looking fluttery and natural. Here are the finished results. I absolutely love how this looks, and if you're wondering how to take off individual false lashes, use a cleansing oil and just add a little drop at the base of the lashes. Give it about 30 seconds so that that glue loosens up, and then just wash your face as normal. Here's all my social information if you want to follow along. Thank you so much for watching. I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up. That really does help the video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.